Watch closely, Bobby. This house is going to be yours someday, and you're going to need to know how to take care of it.
Can you hammer in a nail with a single blow?
This isn't a circus, Bobby. But I could.
Dad, help me! Help me, I'm drowning!
Oh, Bobby, you'd had such a good few years.
It wasn't me, the wall's leaking.
Oh. Good Lord, it looks like it's coming right out of the stud.
It's okay. It's okay, babies. Daddy's here. Now, let's get you out of these wet clothes.
Oh, what kind of a sick bastard runs a water pipe through a stud without installing a nail guard?